Imagine scaling your business in Africa's largest economy, only to hit a wall of paperwork, fines, or delays. Nigeria's expatriate quota is a gateway, not just a rulebook. The expatriate quota protects local jobs while welcoming global expertise. Here's how it works. Priority for Nigerians, skill transfer, economic growth. In high-skill sectors like oil, gas, and tech, quotas adapt to project needs, but flexibility comes with complexity, and that's where businesses often stumble. Navigating the quota isn't just about hiring, it's a maze of bureaucracy. Delays can stall projects, costs can soar, and compliance risks abound. Medley City Travel Office turns chaos into clarity, assessment, documentation mastery, fast-track approvals, compliance shield. Don't let red tape stall your ambitions. Partner with Medley City Travel Office, where global goals meet local wisdom.